Hello and welcome to the Listening Post's unboxing channel on YouTube. Today I'm unboxing a beautiful pair of headphones from Focal. They're Focal Elears. These second from the top are astonishing. Not only do they sound beautiful, but they are beautifully built, beautifully accessorized, and honestly, these are charming. These are just, they're one of the most inspiring pair of headphones I've ever listened to, and today I'm very proud to be sharing their unboxing with you. Okay, looking at the box for the first time, it's very, very understated. This little brown box gives no hint to the quality of the product that's inside. It's not until you open the freight box that you understand that this has a little secret. Inside you will see firstly a significant amount of extra packaging, all designed to protect what's inside. You've got a separate silica gel, you've got not one, not two, not three, but four little corner pieces to protect this, and a piece of cardboard. The headphones themselves are in a significant box, and even that box is again protected on the base with a similar number of pieces of cardboard and protection to ensure that this freight box does its job. Once inside, the package is protected by your classic sort of bubble paper. I guess I call it that, bubble paper, I don't know what it is. This is designed obviously to now protect the box itself. And slipping this off, we get to see some of the implication of the quality of the product that the packaging has done a wonderful job of protecting. So, looking at the inner box, we get some subtle hints as to what nature or quality of this product actually is. A little hint here with the Elear logo and an embossing of the Focal on top. And that's the only real hint as to what is going on inside. Opening it, there's a little tab, okay? And there's a magnetic sort of catch, again implying something quite nice is about to be unveiled. And opening this, we start to see what? Firstly, the top corrugation and beautiful packaging as far as protecting the headphone. And there they are inside in clearly perfectly cut foam. The packaging, there's little things like a little strap. This is beautiful. I'll take some photos just of the packaging. It's lovely, but it gives you all the little hints of what's going on with the headphones and just how special they are. Firstly, in the centre, we have the basic booklet and other information. Okay, nice and easy. Folding down the flap, I'm going to sort of just try and show you for a moment. Again, hang around for some photos, I'll take some of them. We have the headphones and their cables. So without sort of further ado, we're going to yank these out and have a wee look. The packaging itself is obviously beautiful. You can see that I've made a point of that. Opening and closing it is lovely, so let's be honest, I'm not going to chuck these away. I'm going to slide it off to one side. Okay, so looking at these headphones. The junior models come with accessories of headphone cables. The cables are available as an accessory for this model, not provided with them. The headphones have a detachable plug for both left and right. They have a beautiful build as far as the headphone band and other things like that. Because there's no cable passing between left and right, they can afford to have some good chunky mechanics involved as far as the extension and folding of these headphones. The cups themselves and all of those things are beautiful. There's a leatherette headband. These are completely open headphones, so you can see a very beautiful grill-like cover. Beautiful branding for Focal and the Elear logo. These are fabricated in France. The headphone pads, now genuinely I hope you get an opportunity to have a listen to these, but if you don't, at least walk up to them and touch these headphone pads. They have a beautiful feel to them and a comfort that is absolutely second to none in its price point. The quality overall is superb, and that's before you even listen to these gems. Nevertheless, right, as we look at them, again, great flexibility as far as that goes, great twist and turn, Very, very comfortable, removable cable. The cable itself is about 3 meters long and is a 6 1/4 inch, and it is branded Focal. There's a couple of bands to hold them tight and all of those things. The quality is superb. All of those things are done very well. Sound quality and other things like that, second to none, as you would expect. The banding is branded Focal. There's a lot of other hints to the quality. But I guess, to be honest, I was just sitting there, sitting those down. Nobody would know that you've made a significant investment in a pair of beautiful headphones. And I like the subtlety in this particular one, that, you know, these are astonishing headphones. They're not the cheapest in the world. They are some of the best. But sitting there, you know, it's not screaming out to you that you've bought some branding that you're going to walk across the street and everybody's going to recognise. These are a little bit more subtle. And with that, a little bit more elegant. And to be honest, they have a little special place in my heart because of that quality and elegance. So there we go. The Focal Elear headphones, unboxed here at the Listening Post in Christchurch, New Zealand. Thanks for watching. If you want to see more, subscribe to our channel.